Chasing the Sun.
Hello. We are William, Alaish, Jonathan, and Avril, and we want to share our project Chasing the Sun with you. Will you join us?
Lighting plays a key role in the design of spaces. It not only enhances the aesthetics but also defines the ambience and improves the functionality of each area.
Such as some internal areas like this one and this one being a bit dark and using more electricity than necessary during the day. So, in our project, we have decided to focus on this problem. At the Torre Vicens Institute, we have realized that we're facing a couple of challenges, such as the lighting.
Come with me to see the problem.
To solve this, we thought about bringing some sunlight directly into the place. How? By using mirrors and solar tubes reflecting and bringing it exactly where we need.
We also thought about changing the window of the gym in order to improve the insulation of its fans to changing the windows. There will be cross ventilation which will help ventilating during the summer.
Now, let's apply this knowledge, focusing on the gymnasium of the Torre Vicens Institute in Jeddah to solve its lighting issue with an economical and sustainable solution. Let's take a look at the 3D model we created with the solar tubes we implemented. Ready to see how it turned out?
Currently, the most efficient way to implement this technique is by using solar tubes. They operate on the same principle, bouncing sunlight off a mirror inside a tube. This makes them much more efficient because once light enters the tube, there are no losses, as would be the case with mirrors exposed to the environment. Now that we've reached this point, you might be wondering, what are the most important phases of the solar tubes process?
Capturing sunlight. At the top of the solar tube, there's a dome or collector designed to gather direct and diffuse sunlight from outside. This dome is made of transparent material, like acrylic or polycarbonate, allowing sunlight to pass through it.
Directing light. Once sunlight is captured by the dome, it's directed downward through a mirrored tube inside that's highly reflective. This tube efficiently reflects sunlight into the building, even at steep angles.
Interior distribution. At the end of the reflective tube inside the building, there's a diffuser responsible for evenly distributing light in the interior space. This diffuser is typically a transparent or translucent panel that efficiently disperses light, avoiding harsh shadows or uneven lighting.
Utilizing natural light. Once sunlight is directed indoors, it can effectively illuminate areas that would otherwise lack natural light access, such as interior hallways, bathrooms, kitchens, or windowless workspaces.
Have you guys heard lately about the famous Sustainable Development Goals?
Oh yeah, supposedly they are the key to a greener and fairer future.
Yeah, but sometimes I wonder if our government is applying them correctly.
If they're following the instructions but instead of a cake we ended up with a mess.
Ha! Wouldn't surprise me. They probably have a giant checklist that gets lost in some drawer in the mayor's office.
So, can we expect to see a parade of politicians recite empty promises instead of plastic bottles?
Or maybe we'll see a street art context where graffiti expresses the public frustration with lack of recollection.
And then we could organize a race where politicians pass the torch of responsibility, but none of them pass the ritual.
Well, at least we could turn that parade into an annual event to keep us active while we wait for a change.
Yeah, it would be like a waiting marathon of sustainability to reach our life.
Who knows, maybe instead of running the wall, and they will be dancing in celebration of truly sustainable future.
Exactly, and in the meantime, at least we stay fit and optimistic.
Well then, who's up for another lap around the park while we reflect on the state of the SDGs in Catalonia?
Count me in. In a world where the search for sustainable solutions has become a priority, technological advancements offer us unique opportunities to reimagine how we live and work.
Solar tubes positively impact several United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, including
7. Affordable and clean energy. We achieve this goal by promoting the use of natural light and reducing reliance on electricity for daytime lighting. Solar tubes contribute to this goal. They help decrease the consumption of non-renewable energy and encourage the use
11. Sustainable cities and communities. They enhance the sustainability of buildings and urban infrastructure by incorporating efficient and eco-friendly light solutions. This contributes to create more livable and structurable urban environments. Did we achieve this because?
Climate action. The reduction in electricity usage for lighting decreases the emission of greenhouse gases associated with fossil fuel energy production, thus contributing to climate change mitigation.
Good health and well-being. Natural light has been shown to have various health benefits, including mood improvement, increased productivity, and regulation of circadian rhythms. Therefore, the use of solar tubes can incredibly contribute to this goal by improving indoor environment conditions and quality. Did we achieve this because?
Industry, innovation, and infrastructure. The design and implementation of solar tubes in architecture and construction involve adopting technological innovations that promote resilient and sustainable infrastructure.
Solar tubes showcase how sustainable technologies and energy-efficient solutions can transform our approach to sustainable development while meeting environmental goals. Integrating them into the design of the Torre Vicens Institute's gymnasium offers an innovative solution to lighting challenges, providing an efficient and sustainable alternative to artificial lighting.